You think I'm too much sweet? No, you're wrong. I want to prove you that not enough sweetness in lady life. Let's go, I'll show you one of the best sweetest factory in Belarus, Krasnyi Pishchevik, welcoming you. Here on Krasnyi Pishchevik factory, we are in Zefir department. Here on Zefir, if you will see, it's getting dry on a wooden stand. This is a very classic Soviet Union recipe, and here they are using only natural ingredients. We are now in a department where all these ladies, if you will see, they're doing Zefir handmade. And did you know that each lady per day doing 70 kg of Zefir? They are very hard working. Let's see them. I'm ready to make my third Zefir, and here on factory they let me to do this tasty delight. Let's see how easy actually to make it. Here on the factory as well, you can get an excursion or masterclass, and trust me, to taste that Zefir like just done fresh, you will never find it in a shop. It's actually here most fresh. And what I want to say as well, that you can find all information on a website and of course Instagram. Not perfect, but I did it. And one of my Zefir will come from this factory to you. I'm tasting most fresh, just glazed with chocolate Zefir. Guys, it's super tasty. You know, it's still very soft, and chocolate is, I feel the real taste of glazed chocolate. And these crispy waffles, guys, amazing. Stop recording. One interesting thing, if you will see the sign like this, it means that the product is halal. They have a halal standardization, so welcome Muslim, you can try our Belarusian Zefir. Do you see this pack? Like this exactly, it was sent in Soviet Union time to Kremlin, to high position people. And now Krasnyi Pishchevik created same box, but they little bit changed the design, but the quality is still same. Like that time in Soviet Union, best of the best. They saving the recipes, only natural ingredients, and one of the top 5 ingredients of the Zefir is apple puree, egg protein, sugar, pataka, and of course pectin. And the one of the main things that here chocolate is still very high quality. It's cocoa butter. here. Guys, it's the best smell, like pure enjoyment, you know? It's like kids' dream. They always creating here something new. The technologists always thinking about the recipes. And of course, one of the innovation is the zero sugar Zefir, guys. Enjoy! Guys, right now we are looking with you how here on Krasnyi Pishchevik factory working a line where they're doing zero sugar Zefir. Guys, zero. So you can eat it and not afraid that your sugar will go high. And what's interesting, they are using puree of blueberry and as well as juice. So it's very natural ingredients. Here on the line right now, you will see that up on the top of the Zefir is going special powder, but no sugar. We just was showing you the process, how the Zefir is doing, and now in my hands, just now, fresh packed Belarusian Zefir. Very symbolic, by the way, our flag colors, red and green. If you will see this, it means that the line is changing now. The flavors up is going the pear, duchesse, and down is going grapes. So line changing, taste changing. Can you imagine that here on Krasnyi Pishchevik factory, each day they producing 9 tons of marmalade. And the tastes are very different: lemon, orange, lime, grapefruit, watermelon, melon, grapes, pear. It's a wide choice, so depends what flavor you like. Enjoy! So this is how it looks like. This is the packs, written Krasnyi Pishchevik, and this is mean what? That you chose right. Behind me there is a logistics center. They built it in 2019 and it's quite modern. And we would like to show you how to make Zefir safe after it's done on a factory. Let's go, we will show it to you. Did you know that Krasnyi Pishchevik factory, they have their own logistic modern center where everything is automated. Let's say the program is checking and controlling all the process, and here is the climate control where it's a safety for a ready Zefir that is waiting to come to your country. Yeah, Krasnyi Pishchevik. I am Krasnyi Pishchevik. Krasnyi Pishchevik factory has lots of shops. The network of firm shops are wide, and almost each city has a shop where you can buy the most fresh products. They are not standing on one place, they are going, development and creating new. Krasnyi Pishchevik factory is opened for a partnership and new connection and ready to make geographically markets open for cooperation, let's say, and we are welcoming everyone to visit and try the best, the tastiest and one of the freshest Zefir in Krasnyi Pishchevik shop. Do you have it in your city?